Hey Weather Pals, Meteorologist Brittney here, and today's forecast is calling for a rainstorm. We are going to create a rainstorm in a jar with just a few things you can find around your house. Here is what you'll need: a jar, some water, some shaving cream, and blue food coloring. Go ahead and gather your supplies and let's get started. First, you'll want to mix the blue food coloring into some water. It doesn't have to be much water, just to get a more watery texture in the blue food coloring. And then go ahead and mix that. Now let's fill the jar up about 3/4 of the way with some water. Now we are going to create some clouds with shaving cream. Now, clouds aren't actually made of shaving cream up in our sky. They form when evaporation occurs, when you get the evaporation of water from the ground or maybe even the ocean. As that water rises up into the atmosphere, it condenses and creates clouds. So go ahead and create your clouds. Now it's time to drop your rain or your blue food coloring into the cloud. You can either do this with just a spoon or if you have any kind of syringe. Now, just like up in our sky, when a cloud starts to hold too much rain, eventually that rain has to fall. So go ahead and add your blue food coloring to your clouds. And once the rain gets too heavy in the clouds, it will begin to fall. You can add as much as you'd like. Now you can watch your rain fall. Look how cool that looks. Thanks for exploring weather with me today. I'll see you next time, Weather Pals.